Hi everyone, and welcome to Clean Up with Kelly. Today I'm going to show you this very quick and easy crockpot meal for jambalaya. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Today's video is a collab with a couple other ladies. They're going to be showing you some of their favorite crockpot meals. So I will leave their channel information down below, so definitely go check out what their videos are. Now let's get into the ingredients. So you're gonna need about 1.5 pounds of chicken thigh fillets, and then some hot smoked sausage, and then your trusty crock pot and liner, 3 stalks of celery, 3 cloves of garlic, a large onion, and a green bell pepper, some measuring cups, spoons, and bowls, and then a can of diced tomatoes, chicken broth, oregano, salt, thyme, and the Creole seasoning. This is what makes it so good. Some pepper, parsley, and then you're gonna need some rice. I'm just getting the crock pot ready, and I'm going to start cutting up the meat first. I like to use gloves when I cut up meat just to prevent any cross-contamination. It just makes it easier, and plus the sausage was really spicy, so I didn't want any leftover spiciness under my nails or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and cut up the entire pack, and that should be enough for this recipe. Next, I'm just cutting up the chicken thighs into quarters and getting them ready to put into the pot. So after the meat's cut up, I'm just going to put everything in the crock pot and then move on to the veggies. So after washing everything, I'm just going to dice everything up and put it in the bowl, and then I will put it in the crock pot later. Next, I'm just cutting the 3 cloves of garlic and mincing them into small pieces. Next, I'm just cutting and dicing up the green bell pepper. And lastly, I am cutting and dicing the entire onion. Once all the veggies are cut up, I am going to put this in the crock pot and then get started with the seasoning. Next, I'm just adding the can of diced tomatoes and then 2 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the Creole seasoning, and then 1 teaspoon of thyme and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Then I'm just going to add some salt and pepper. And then I just kind of stir it around. Next, I'm just going to turn the crock pot onto low and wait for 5 hours. And after 5 hours, this is what it looks like. The whole house smelled great, by the way. And next you're going to add 1 3/4 cup of rice, and you're going to turn the crockpot onto high for 30 minutes. After the rice is all cooked, then it is ready to eat. This was so delicious, especially if you like spicy food. Oh man, this was very, very good. We have a ton of leftovers, enough to last us probably 4 days. And this was just a really super simple recipe. It was a different dish and absolutely delicious. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, please go check out what the other ladies are making, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!